Welcome back, money makers. This is your boy Duran, and as always, I stay making you make opportunities. We have an opportunity to join the Verizon Research Study Panel. So basically, you can sign if you are part of, if you have a Verizon phone, you can join their research study panel by making money online. And basically, they might ask you different questions, how it's going, with using their Verizon products. You might even They might even give you free samples of, new features of Verizon, that might come out in the near future, and you might be the one that actually tests it out. It's kind of similar to another research study program that I'm in, kind of like called the Gemini program. And basically, I test different features for the Gemini program, the different Gemini app, and I'm gonna talk about that in a later video as well too, where I make money from that. But this is specifically for Verizon phone customers, I'm assuming, because obviously if you don't have a Verizon phone, you wouldn't be able to kind of be on there. But if you do, this is something that's kind of cool that a lot of people probably don't even know about. Let's just do my research. And so basically, what you should expect, particular, is after enrolling in the panel, you may have the opportunity to participate in a research study every few months. You will receive an email with a survey to see if you qualify for a research study. If you qualify, you then would be invited to participate. And then basically, our research studies range from 30 to 90 minutes. We'll give you details about the study length along with other important information before you decide whether to participate. And then compensation, as always, it ranges from $50 to $150. In appreciation of your time and participation, you will be provided with a digital retail e-gift card for your choice. We will let you know the amount of compensation on the study. It can range from anywhere from $50 to $150, depending on the length and the compensation of the study. So go ahead and click the sign. Go ahead and click the sign up button now, and it's going to enroll you into it, pretty much. But other than that, let me know if this is something that you guys like or if you don't like. But other than that, take care, money makers, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, because I'm giving you new opportunities all this, for the rest of September. So just stay tuned for that. And also, we have a October $50 cash giveaway where basically you need to create 4 different videos, need to be 50 views on those videos. I mean, 10 different videos need to have 50 views on there. And I'm giving away $50 for if any of my first 4 subscribers that send me an email saying that they meet those requirements. It needs to have 10 different videos that has to have at least 50 views on all of them. And if they don't, then you don't qualify. But if they do, go ahead and send me to mondaymakers271gmail.com. That is going to be in October. I'm going to be going live at the end of October. So all my Halloween folks, that's kind of a way to earn some money for being the scariest Halloween videos. But let me know if that is something that you are interested in. So you have time now, since it's September, to create all 10 videos using AI. It must be AI. If it's not AI, then you won't be able to qualify. But that's just something to incentivize you that it is ways to make money online, and I give away cash giveaways on my channel. So if you stay subscribed, you will know about that. If you don't, then you're out of luck. But this is just another opportunity for you to make money if you have Verizon products and you want to join a panel. But other than that, take care, money makers, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.